Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying gear and stance so your first cast matters. Pick a net size to fish density and depth. Heavier leads help sink faster. Inspect the lead line and hand line for tangles and weak knots, then coil the net in 2 even piles. Face the target with wind behind you and plant your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold the horn against your chest and keep the braille line organized. This setup makes the throw repeatable and reduces mid-cast failure. You now load and commit to the throw. Do it with intent. Lay the net in 2 layered coils so it opens outward. Keep the horn in your throwing hand and the rest draped over your wrist. Take a smooth, circular arm motion, step forward with your lead foot, and snap your wrist at full extension. Release when your hand points to the target. Once done, let momentum open the net. Modifying angle or strength compensates for current, wind, or distance to maintain a full circular spread. You finish by closing and retrieving the net deliberately to secure fish. Pin the hand line and pull steadily. Don't jerk. Smooth tension draws the lead line closed and traps fish. Once the net rests, scoop leads toward yourself and transfer fish into a wet bucket or well. Damp handling reduces stress. If you feel a sudden snag or irregular tension, stop and feed slack to locate tangles. Unwrapping calmly prevents worse knots. Make sure to reset coil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.